Hi guys, welcome back to this top 5 series. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the top 5 signs that your home needs air sealing and insulation. Starting with number 1, your rooms are overly drafty. This is by far the number 1 sign that your home needs insulation or air sealing. Especially during the colder months, overly drafty cold rooms can be caused by air entering through the window frames, the exterior walls, or even your doorways. By insulating and air sealing these areas, you can avoid cold, drafty rooms during the winter. Number 2, the temperature of your home feels uncomfortable or fluctuates. If your home temperature continues to fluctuate throughout the year and it just feels uncomfortable to live in, then there's a good chance that you're gonna need air sealing or insulation upgrades. Air sealing and insulation provide a protective layer around your home that keeps the cold air out and the warm air in. Now, if different rooms in your home have different temperatures, this is a telltale sign that your home is not properly insulated. Number 3, your energy bills are higher than normal. If your home is not properly insulated and sealed, there's a good chance that your heating and cooling systems are working overtime. This is because those systems have to keep up with the constant demand of replacing and heating your home when the air continues to escape. Go over your home energy bills for the last few months, and if you're starting to see a gradual increase, then it might be a good time to get some new insulation. Number 4, there is dust, mold, or mildew in your home. Now, nobody wants dust, mold, or mildew in their home. And even worse, nobody wants bugs or mice in their home either. If you start noticing these things in your home, then you might need to insulate your home and tighten up that air sealing. Air sealing and insulating your home can significantly reduce the amount of air quality control issues by controlling the airflow and moisture that enters your home. Now, this can greatly reduce dust, unwanted pollutants, and even bugs and mice in your home. Number 5, there are water leaks in the attic. Leaks anywhere in your home is a good sign that your insulation needs to be replaced immediately. And unfortunately, water damage can lead to unwanted, costly problems in your home. Mold and mildew in your home can also be a health hazard for those living in it. So if you start noticing leaks, pay attention to it. Do not ignore it, because this is a problem that you're going to need to fix right away with some insulation. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 signs that your home needs air sealing and insulation. Now, we've talked about the average cost of insulation in other videos, but the average cost of air sealing can range anywhere between $600 and $2,300, and that can be a lot at one time. But luckily, the Canada Greener Homes Grant has got you covered. For the Canada Greener Homes Grant, you can get up to $5,000 for the cost of your air sealing, plus an additional $600 for the required home energy assessment. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let us know in the comments down below what other type of energy efficient videos would you like to see on this channel moving forward. And as always, stay cool, my friends.